Hi, good morning, kids. How are you? Today I have brought a new activity for you. And what is this? I hope you all have this at your home. Yes, this is a tong. Mama used this, okay, at home. So you need this one tong, egg tray, and blocks. You can use a small blocks, big blocks, whatever you have at your home, okay. In case you don't have egg tray, you can use muffin tray, any tray which have like this kind of holes in that, okay. So what you need to do is you have to pick these block and you have to hold like this, one thumb and two fingers, that's it, okay. And now you have to hold one by one and count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same way you can pick them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this activity helps to improve your pencil grip and your concentration also get improved. So do this activity at home, okay, and enjoy. Have lots of fun. Bye bye.